How to turn on post sharing on Instagram stories. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow people to share your post on their stories within the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app and then navigate to our Instagram profile. Once there, select the three lines in the top right of the app to open up the settings. Once you get into the settings, scroll down, and the first thing we want to do is make sure that account privacy is set to a public account. So you want to make sure private account is turned off, and this will be one of the first steps to allowing people to share your posts and reels to stories. Once you've turned off private account, go back, and then we just want to scroll down until we get to how others can interact with you and select sharing and reuse. From there, we just want to make sure that post and reels to story is turned on because that will allow other people to share your post and reels to their stories. Once you've turned that on, you're done. You can go back to Instagram and people will be able to share your post to their stories. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.